Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a world of innovation with 10 must have gadgets that will transform your home and elevate your lifestyle. From the entryway to the kitchen, we've got the latest tech savvy solutions to keep you organized and ahead of the curve. So grab a seat and let's explore these game changing gadgets together. Keep your space organized with this 9-tier metal shoe rack, designed to hold 50 to 55 pairs of shoes while maximizing storage in your entryway, closet, or bedroom. Its expandable and dividable design allows you to customize it to fit different spaces, whether as one large rack or multiple smaller units. Built with sturdy, corrosion-resistant metal pipes and reinforced connectors, it ensures stability and durability, preventing wobbling or toppling. The adjustable shelves accommodate all types of footwear, from sneakers and heels to boots and skates, while 10 versatile hooks provide extra space for accessories. With waterproof cover sheets and an easy assembly process, this space-saving shoe rack is the perfect solution for a neat, clutter-free home. The Budding Joy 90L underbed storage containers offer a massive capacity perfect for clothes, blankets, and quilts. Designed to maximize space, these foldable storage bags fit seamlessly under beds, in closets, or on shelves. The sturdy zipper ensures a secure closure, protecting items from dust, pests, and moisture. A clear window allows you to quickly identify contents without opening the bag, saving time and effort. The reinforced side handles are double-stitched for durability, making it easy to pull out and move around your home. Crafted from breathable, high-quality, non-woven fabric, these organizers keep your belongings fresh while offering a sleek, clutter-free solution to home storage. Transform your bath into a spa-like retreat with this adjustable and foldable bathtub tray table, designed to save space while adding a touch of luxury. Crafted from high-quality bamboo with a waterproof coating, it offers durability and elegance in one sleek design. Featuring dedicated compartments for your wine glass, phone, tablet, and other essentials, this tray ensures everything stays within reach while you relax. Its anti-slip design provides stability, making your soak stress-free and enjoyable. Plus, the eco-friendly bamboo construction blends sustainability with sophistication. Whether as a thoughtful gift or a way to upgrade your self-care routine, this bathtub tray is the perfect addition to any bathroom. Effortlessly remove wrinkles with this 1500-watt handheld garment steamer, delivering powerful continuous steam at 25 grams per min to refresh clothes, curtains, and upholstery in seconds. Its compact, self-standing design makes it perfect for both home use and travel, while the 350-milliliter removable water tank ensures longer steaming sessions without frequent refills. Safe for all fabrics, including silk, wool, and polyester, it gently smooths out delicate materials without damage. With a quick heat-up time and one-button operation, you can de-wrinkle a shirt in just 1 to 3 minutes, and its no-spill, no-leak design guarantees a hassle-free experience. The Sakugi dish drying rack is a multifunctional kitchen essential, designed for efficient storage with a utensil holder, bowl basket, utility hooks, knife holder, and cutting board holder. Installation is simple. Step 1, insert 1D into 2Cs, then connect E and F with D. Step 2, adjust the CDC crossbar to fit your sink and fix the rods with PS from the bottom. Step 3, install 4Ks to the bottom of B, fasten As to Bs with 4 OAs, and secure with M. Step 4, attach the bars to the assembled frames using ends and M, place the upper horizontal strip into the card slot and tighten the screws. With stainless steel durability and smart organization, the Sakugi dish rack keeps your kitchen clutter-free. Keep your beauty essentials organized with the rotating makeup organizer 360-degree, a game-changer in cosmetic organization. This isn't just any organizer. It's a revolution in clutter-free living, where every perfume, cream, and lipstick has its place. Now, stop imagining. It's here. With 7 adjustable shelves, customization is at your fingertips. Whether you're a minimalist or a makeup maven, there's room for your collection. The 360-degree rotating feature acts like a personal beauty carousel, making every item accessible with a simple spin. Crafted with a transparent design, it's not just functional but stylish, blending seamlessly into any bathroom or vanity decor while offering a clear view of your products. The Uxme Rotating Makeup Organizer, where beauty meets organization. Experience a well-ordered world simpler mornings, and the future of cosmetic organization. Space-saving hangers. Tired of a crowded and messy closet? HouseDay offers a professional closet organizer and storage solution with the magic space-saving hanger. Featuring 5 holes, it maximizes storage and keeps your clothes neatly arranged. Durable and sturdy, this hanger is made of eco-friendly PP material, ensuring long-lasting use. Its simplistic and stylish design complements any wardrobe and is compatible with all hanger types. Multifunctional and space-saving, it helps you save over 80% of wardrobe space, making it perfect for small closets, apartments, and dorm rooms. Upgrade your closet today for a clutter-free, organized space. Over the toilet storage shelf. Say no to messy countertops. This space-saving 3-tier unit keeps your toiletries organized without taking up too much floor space. Designed to fit above most toilets, it provides ample storage for essentials like towels, shampoos, and more. Plus, it features an extra toilet paper holder for added convenience. Made from durable bamboo, it's available in gray, white, espresso, and natural finishes to match any bathroom decor. Easy to assemble with included tools and lightweight yet sturdy for long-lasting use. Keep your bathroom tidy and stylish. Over-the-door pantry organizer. Transform your storage with the Mofuroco 9-tier pantry organizer. Super easy installation process. Comes with all required hardware, no drilling needed, and fits securely on most doors. Perfect closing tight fit ensures stability without damaging walls or doors. Super large capacity. Holds spices, jars, toiletries, and more, making it ideal for kitchen, pantry, or bathroom storage. Created unexpected space by utilizing unused vertical areas, keeping your home organized and clutter-free. Perfect for bathroom storage, holding toiletries, towels, and cleaning supplies efficiently. Upgrade your home organization today. Portable closet wardrobe, a practical storage solution with roll-up doors, secured by zips and hook-and-loop fasteners, keeping your clothes dust-free. Designed with 1 hanging rail and 12 layers, it meets all your storage needs. Perfect for coats, folded clothes, and linens. Lightweight yet durable, the sturdy metal frame ensures long-lasting use. Easy to assemble with a tool-free setup, making organization effortless. Available in 2 colors, gray and black, this stylish and functional wardrobe is the perfect addition to any bedroom or closet space. Thanks for joining us on this gadget journey. We hope you found some inspiration to upgrade your home and make life a little easier. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends and reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.